Welcome, travelers, to the Great River Road, a breathtaking byway that winds its way alongside the mighty Mississippi River, showcasing charming river towns and stunning natural beauty. Join us as we embark on a virtual expedition along this iconic route, where history, culture, and scenic vistas await at every turn. Our journey begins amidst the sweeping landscapes of the Mississippi River, one of America's most iconic waterways. From its headwaters in Minnesota to its delta in Louisiana, the Great River Road offers unparalleled views of the river's meandering course, flanked by lush forests, fertile farmland, and towering bluffs. Prepare to be captivated by the ever-changing scenery that unfolds before you. As we travel along the Great River Road, we encounter a tapestry of charming river towns that beckon with their unique charm and hospitality. Explore historic downtown districts lined with century-old buildings, browse quaint shops and boutiques, and savor local cuisine at charming cafes and restaurants. Each town along the route offers its own blend of culture, history, and small-town charm, inviting you to linger and explore. Throughout our journey, we encounter a wealth of historic sites that tell the story of the Mississippi River's rich past. From grand antebellum mansions to Civil War battlefields, each site offers a glimpse into the region's storied history and cultural heritage. Step back in time as you explore preserved landmarks and learn about the people and events that shaped the Great River Road's legacy. Be sure to pause at Scenic overlooks along the Great River Road, where panoramic vistas offer sweeping views of the Mississippi River and its surrounding landscapes. From towering bluffs to tranquil backwaters, these vantage points provide the perfect backdrop for photos and moments of reflection. Take a moment to soak in the beauty of nature and appreciate the majesty of the river that has inspired generations. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Great River Road offers a wealth of recreational opportunities to explore. Whether it's hiking through scenic river valleys, birdwatching in wildlife refuges, or boating and fishing on the river itself, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the Mississippi River region and create unforgettable memories in the great outdoors. Throughout the year, the Great River Road comes alive with a vibrant array of cultural events and festivals that celebrate the river's influence on local communities. From music festivals and art fairs to heritage celebrations and riverboat races, there's always something happening along the route. Join in the festivities, mingle with locals, and experience the unique spirit of river life firsthand. As stewards of the Great River Road, we have a responsibility to protect and preserve its natural and cultural heritage for future generations to enjoy. Learn about ongoing conservation efforts aimed at preserving the river's ecosystem and promoting sustainable tourism practices. By working together, we can ensure that the Great River Road remains a treasure for all who travel its storied path. As our virtual journey along the Great River Road comes to a close, we reflect on the beauty, history, and adventure that await those who travel this scenic byway. Whether you're a history buff, outdoor enthusiast, or simply seeking a leisurely drive through picturesque landscapes, the Great River Road offers something for everyone to enjoy. So pack your bags, hit the road, and let the adventure begin.